Hello everyone. In this episode we are going to install our dashcam. We will pull the cable from here to down. We will install our voltage converter. Cable now is hidden until here. Now we have to remove this trim part. Here one protection plastic part. This is when the airbag is blow. It's protect you to this trim coming to your face. Don't cut this plastic. After that we have to remove also here to take cable from upper side to down side, and here we have a fuse box. We will connect our converter to here. We pull cable until here. Now we will install our voltage converter. It's converting 5 volt to USB here. We will connect our cable to this one. Also we will take power from the fuse, and we also need to connect our ground cable. I found the one screw place here. I will connect the ground there. We will check which one is working with the ignition, and we don't want to record when we are not in the car or car is not in working. Here our converter, I fix it. All the extra cables is here, and this is our ground point. This is our fuse, but I have an issue. This one is not going inside here because different sizes. I will try to find another one, but I will add a proper one to link. I changed the fuse holder, and now we have a different type. We are going to connect this pin. This was working with the ignition. I connect it. Let's check, is it working with the ignition? As you see, it's working